Most cleaners, interior cleaners, contain a surfactant blend designed to remove and uplift dirts, oils, anything that looks nasty on your interior car surfaces. But what an interior detailer is not only does that, but it also makes those surfaces pop. So it leaves behind a coating that is a little glossy, has a nice kind of OEM look to it without being over the top glossy. Power Clean has a unique reactive siloxane blend specifically designed for a variety of surfaces in the interior of your car. You know, leathers, faux leathers, vinyls, plastics, soft plastics in particular, things that are typically in the interior. And that siloxane blend is ultimately designed to shine up and clean those surfaces, to restore those surfaces without being super high gloss, and to give that nice kind of renewed OEM satin matte finish. Because old school detailers were designed to protect, especially like the really hard plastics that used to be, and they used to crack. So the old school detailers used to be specifically designed to protect those hard surfaces. However, in modern cars, a lot of modern cars contain materials which are significantly more innovative. They're significantly better designed. They're designed specifically to prevent cracking, and therefore the products you use on them should also be designed, you know, to be synergistic with those materials. What Power Clean will also do is prevent static on the interior of your car, so it's going to actually keep your dashboard looking cleaner for longer. So it's going to prevent dust and other, you know, air pollutants from sitting down onto the surface and make them appear and look really dusty and dirty. So Power Clean is actually a very durable blend of, again, reactive siloxanes that condition the material underneath, keep dust from accumulating, and protect from UV. Part of the formulation process was in getting just the right amount of material to leave behind so that it's not going to build up, that it's going to break down slowly over time, and you can keep putting it on and maintain that long-lasting shine that you're after. The fragrance was one that we didn't want to be overpowering, but still provide the user with some, you know, just nice, I sprayed that on the surface, it smells really nice, and it fills the car with a kind of a fresh, soft aroma. And dialing in fragrances can be a challenge too, because fragrances can disrupt emulsion stability. Sometimes they can be too strong, sometimes they're too weak. But again, fragrances can be subjective. Some people like one thing and not like the other. But we were really after a really good blend of kind of a fresh fragrance without being overpowering. There's just so much new technology out in the kind of car care world. And what we were out to really do is create something that was durable. Again, that was designed for the modern car. So some of the challenges that we encountered were, you know, having just the right amount of material, the right blend of materials, without making the surface too oily, without making the surface too brittle and hard. So just really dialing in the proper amount of siloxane type materials that are designed to coat and leave that really nice finish behind while maintaining the durability that we're after. It does all the things we wanted it to do, and it lasts, like I said, it lasts for a month at least. But if you know, I'm a guy that I like to detail my car, I'd say every week, but it's really more like every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, especially in the summertime. And it lasts well within those timelines. But when we first started developing it, we were like, oh, there's so many interior detailers out there. You know, what are we doing to really set this apart? And as we started to dig into the details and figure out, again, the right blend of things to get unique properties that we feel our product stands out from the rest, we're very happy with the final result.